answering question is, literally, Granny, what's going to happen to my birds?
They're going to get fried.
Two big ones are going to die.
Okay, you think the two big ones are going to die?
I love that
What
phrase.
about the little birds?
Well, they're fine.
They'll be right.
Why are the little birds fine?
Because they're like the serpent.
Why are they
Have
fine?
something to do with that? Sure, that's something to do with that.
If you're an electron, what's your preferred pathway? Do you want to go through the copper wire or aluminium wire, whatever it is, or would you rather go up through the leg of the bird and down back again?
The second option.
You want to go through the bird.
Wait, no. The first option. I changed my mind. Not the resistance.
The bird is a resistor. Okay, the bird is at a higher resistance than the wire, and so the electrons are going to go through the wire.
How many ohms are the birds?
Good question.
3 and 4.
Okay, so
Can we use
my
that
electrons are going to go through the wire rather than up and down through the legs of the bird. And therefore they are safe. Our big bird is at the top there though, straddling two wires. Unfortunately, these are going to fry.
Oh no. That's rough. I'm poor Amy.
It's a feather. So it looks like a leaf.
That's a big feather indeed.
Yeah.
Birds.
Because this time there is only one pathway that joins these two wires. And the one pathway is through the bird. Like that. Okay? So that while there's only one pathway, so therefore the electrons will go through the bird, i.e. current, and kill the bird. Does that make sense? Because really in the context of answering a question, it's whether it makes sense enough for you to be able to use that logic in another situation. That's what it needs to do for you. Okay, so we need to look. Is there a pathway? Is there an easier pathway for the electrons? Yes, definitely here. There's definitely an easier pathway. Here, is there an easier pathway for the electrons? No. There isn't, because there is no other pathway. Well, except to say in my current drawing, the other pathway through this bird. But that's, this bird's going to die too. Okay, so that's one of the things in the safety of electricity. So don't, if you're out partying once the exams are over, I wouldn't recommend grabbing to the line, power lines like that.
There's too high up.
Yeah, because that's pretty smart.
Probably not a good idea to go grabbing power lines at all.
But if
But-
you're going to take a chance.
What would happen if multiple